So basically, guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can add base token to your MetaMask. Okay. If I go down to my MetaMask here, you can see I have base tokens, different base tokens. You can see Brett here, you can see Andy, you can see DJ, you can see Bobo, you can see Monkey, all added to my MetaMask here. Okay. So I'm going to be showing you various ways on how you should be able to add it to your MetaMask also and begin to trade your base tokens. Okay. So first and foremost, let's come up here. You can see here, Base is actually on the Ethereum chain. Okay. So if you don't have Base on your MetaMask, okay, first and foremost, you need to download Base to your either your desktop or to your phone, whichever one you actually use. You need to download it to your phone. Then after you log into your account, you log into your MetaMask account, okay? You just need to come down to the left-hand side of it here. You're going to click here. Then here you're going to see different kinds of network, okay? You're going to see here Ethereum, you're going to see linear minutes, you're going to see smart chain, right? You're going to see different kinds of network here, but and also you can see Base here, right? I have Base here already, okay? In most cases, when you log into your MetaMask, you're going to find Base, just like as you can find Ethereum, you can find Smart Chain, which is BSC chain, you can find every other chain here, Arbitrum and all that, you can find it here. But peradventure, you can't find Base network on your MetaMask. All you just need to do is this. You need to come down here and click on this Add Network. Okay, so if you click on that, you're going to find Base here. Okay, but if you can't find Base here still, then you need to come down here. You see where it says Add Network here. You're going to click on this button here. Okay, then you're going to go to let me quickly show you this parameter. These are the stuff you're going to put into this into all these boxes here. Okay, you can see this network here. You're going to come down here, you're going to choose Base here. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to drop the link to this very article here in the description of this video. This is actually from CoinGecko. If I come up here, you can see this is from CoinGecko. Okay, how to add Coinbase to MetaMask. Okay, so these parameters are the stuff you're going to be adding to these boxes here. Okay, so here you're going to put in Base here. Okay, network name here. Then this second one that says new RPC URL. Okay, so I'm going to come here. You can see this one. It says this new RPC. Okay, this is it. You're going to copy this here. Okay, then you're going to put it in here also. You're going to put it in here also. Okay, so you can see it says this URL is currently used by the Base network. That is because I've added Base to my MetaMask already. Okay, but in your own case, if you don't have it already, it will not show this URL is currently used by the Base network. Okay, then you're going to come down here where it says the chain ID. Okay, you're going to copy this chain ID, which is 8453. Okay, you're going to copy it here and you're going to put it in here. Okay, so you're just going to follow through this process and you're going to complete this and you're going to click on save here. Okay, then automatically you should have the Base network on your MetaMask. Okay, so the next thing we need to look at now is how to add those Base token to our Base network. Okay, so I'm going to use an account that doesn't even have Base token on it already. Okay, so let's use this. You can see this, there's no Base token here already. There's no Base token here, but you can see it's on Base network here. Okay, you can see it's on Base network. Let me do it again so they see. You see it's on Base network, but we don't have token here. So for you to add token to this Base network now, you just need to click on this import token here. Okay, you click on import token. You can either go to desk screener. Okay, this is desk screener, and as you can see here, this is one of Base's leading token. Okay, this is Brett here. Okay, so all I just need to do here is just to copy this Brett's token address here. You can see I just copied it now. You can see it up here, right? This is it. I just copied it here. Then I just go to my MetaMask. Okay, then I paste it here. Okay, putting the token address here, and you can see token symbol. You can see it says Brett here, right? You can see token decimal 18. So automatically all those parameters, all those things are going to be added. So you just need to click on next here. Then you click on import token. So you can see Brett has been added to our MetaMask, right? So if you want to add any other coin, you just keep going to either Dex to Desk Trainer, you copy the token contract address, okay, which is here. You just copy the token address, you just go through that method and you're going to put it, okay. Now, one other easiest way that I discovered that you can also add base token to your base network is to go to this website. You can see this website called CoinGecko Terminal, right? So let's say you want to add Andy here, okay. Andy is also one of the popular token on the base network here. So you can see this Andy here. You just click on it. Okay. When you click on it, you're going to allow it to load. Okay. I think the network is a bit slow. Then when it loads, all you just need to do is for you to scroll down. Okay, guys, just scroll down a bit. When you scroll down, it's going to bring you to this section. Okay, you can see this section. It shows you Andy. This is the token. So when you scroll down to this section here, you can just decide to copy the token address here. You come to MetaMask here. You're going to click on import token here. You put in the token address here. Okay. Then automatically it's going to fill up. You can see it has filled up this part here. They're going to click on next. Okay. So it's going to ask you, Andy. Okay. So you're going to click on import. So automatically you can see the token have been added here. Okay. But if you don't want to go through that route, you can also decide to just come down here, click on this button here. When you click on this button here, automatically it's going to help you to add it to your base network. Okay. So you can see this is how simple and easy for you to actually add token, okay, base token to your base network on MetaMask. Okay. Just try to go ahead and follow this step by step on how to add those tokens to your base network, and you should be able to do that in a very short period of time. Okay. So guys, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you got value from this video, please remember to like this video and also go ahead to subscribe to my channel. Okay. I'll see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.